वर्जिनिटी इज़ अ गिफ्ट जो लड़की अपने हस्बैंड को गिफ्ट करती है। शादी में जो सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट जाता है इट्स वर्जिनिटी। अगर वो नहीं है उसके साथ तो दैट गर्ल इज़ कैरेक्टरलेस। हार्डली मैटर्स लड़का है या नहीं है।
What are the myths that you've heard about virginity or you've come across some?
Thigh gap broadens.
Thigh gap broadens ऐसे हो जाते हैं?
It's okay. It's a myth, right? That's what people think.
I've heard the boobs getting bigger and huger when you first have sex.
Okay.
And late periods.
Late periods?
Yeah.
Okay.
Calories burn होती है.
They used to say that one night, first night you have this blood. Now girls are so active, they have so much of physical things. There is no blood, nothing. So the concept doesn't exist now. And we know that youngsters are not virgin.
A girl should not lose her virginity before 25 or before marriage.
Being a virgin is everything. Like, if you are not a virgin, you are not a good girl. Your character is judged. Like, you don't even give a fuck about what is a girl's character. Actually, you don't meet her, you don't know her personally, you have not seen how she cares about her family, how her friends, everyone. You just make out that, okay, fine, she made out with someone, oh, she's wrong.
If you're not a virgin in college, people like, oh, she's not a virgin. And if she's dating a lot of guys or if she's in a physical relationship with a lot of people judge them a lot.
If I openly speak about virginity, it's a very great taboo in our society today. It is, and when you speak about it openly, you are characterized as being bold in a society, and something which you should not discuss with your parents or in a.
We had so many preconceived notions in our mind that the girl, oh my god, has she lost her virginity? Oh my god, the way she's walking, the way she has her boobs, the way she's doing this. I mean, she's just doing a crime. People have done at their ages, people will still continue doing. But why to create it as a question mark on somebody we call ourselves as a modern? If we are modern, our thoughts should be modern.
Virginity does not define a woman's character, right?
Yeah. I completely agree.
So comment why it doesn't.
See, it's about having a moment. You never know. You know, it's like, you know, you never know. Heart level listens to anyone. It's like कि आपको किसके साथ अच्छा लग रहा है. So I believe, you know, it never defines the character of a woman.
Well, I think character is something which defines you. It comes from within. It's your nature, how you treat others, you respect others, and sex and respecting others are two mutually exclusive things.
If a girl is attracted to a guy and she loses her virginity with him, then it shouldn't be a really big thing because it doesn't affect her also. It's the people of the society who continuously discriminate her over this, and that's why she gets affected and does suicide and all that stuff.
When a boy loses his virginity, so it's like, it's cool with the society, and at the same time when the girl loses the virginity, and that too on a very early age, so the society considers, you know, they take it in a very nasty way. So there is this thing, you know, saying in Hindi that लड़का कुछ भी कर ले वो अगले दिन नहा धो के एकदम अच्छा बन जाता है, और लड़की कुछ भी करके आ जाए उसके कैरेक्टर पे हमेशा दाग आ जाता है.
It shouldn't matter to anyone actually. That's one individual's choice. It shouldn't matter the family member. It shouldn't matter your husband also. If it does, screw him.
For example, if I meet a girl for the first time, I would never really judge her because of her past, because I did not know her.
Yeah, I mean it's everybody's personal choice.
Have you seen Pink, the movie Pink?
Yes.
The guy, when he's standing in the court, he says कि ऐसी लड़कियों के साथ ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. I want you to comment on that statement. That's all.
That is very hypocritical, I would say. It's full of hypocrisy. It's nonsensical, I would say, more of it, because those are the same men who would go back home, close the doors, and you know, they'll just probably rape their own wives.
Whenever I meet my guy friends, I mean like my college friends or school friends, say like, whenever I sit with them and जब भी शादी की बात चलती है तो वो यही बोलते हैं कि हमें लड़की चाहिए तो वर्जिन चाहिए. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा, आई मीन लाइक व्हाट इज़ द सीन. तुम लोगों ने तो ऑब्वियसली कितनी बारी यू नो सब कुछ कर रखा है, यू आर नॉट अ वर्जिन, व्हाई आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग. वो बोलते हैं नहीं, अगर लड़की आएगी तो वर्जिन ही आएगी. तो मेरे दिमाग में एक और बात आती है, जब तुम राम नहीं हो तो तुम्हें सीता कैसे मिल जाएगी.
A no means a no.